So, first time taking the tank off, it was just 2 bolts. Real simple. We're gonna paint the tank today. Well, first we're actually gonna strip the paint. Strip the paint today off the tank, and then fill in some of the dents, even them out so everything looks nice and fresh. Strip it down to bare metal, and then sand everything down, fill in all the dents, and then we'll prime it, then paint it. Go from there. Right now, I'm just draining all the fuel out of the tank, so I don't have to worry about it leaking or anything while I'm stripping the paint or anything like that. So I just got it drained and do a gas can for now. Then I'll just pour the gas back in once it's ready to go. All right, so I got the aircraft remover. Did some research that this is what they said the best one to use is to remove the paint. Shake well, pour it into a little tin can, and then you just simply brush it on. So observe. The directions say that we should let this sit for 20 to 45 minutes until you start to see the paint bubble. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do. Just go ahead and wait it out, see what it does, see if I got to apply another coat or anything like that. It went on fairly easy. It's really thick, but definitely wore some gloves and things. Don't want to do this in a non-ventilated area, that is for sure. So there it is, kind of coming up a little bit. We can start to see it peeling. I don't see any up top. Maybe I just didn't put a thick enough layer. So I don't know. Once I start scraping and that don't start to come off, then I'm just gonna go ahead and put another layer. After about 20 minutes, you could definitely see the difference in what's going on. A lot of the paint is starting to peel now. I did go ahead and apply a better top coat because I didn't see anything happening on the top as what was happening on the side. So I went ahead and applied another bigger coat on the top, or thicker coat on the top, hoping to get the same results here in about another 20 minutes. So it's definitely a waiting game with this stuff. I mean, it still works pretty fast, but I'm kind of an impatient person, so we'll check back with it when it's done. And this is what it should look like when it's all peeled up. Looks all kind of gross, you know, but we're gonna scrape it off and start to see how that looks. Here it is down to bare metal. It took forever. It's a lot of sanding too. Just trying to get it everything nice and smooth. You know, I do got my few dents here that I gotta fill in. I like it even like this with that finished metal look. I think that's an awesome look. But that's not what I'm going for. So I'm definitely gonna go ahead and paint it. But first I'm going to fill in those holes and prime it and then paint it. So now I've patched the dents. This is the second time I'm going over them. I put more body filler on her. So now I'll be going ahead and sanding it down as soon as it dries. This is probably about 5 minutes or so after drying, or after applying. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it sit for probably another 15 minutes or so. Then I'll come back out and I'll start to sand, get it all smoothed down, evened out, and then I'll go ahead and prime the tank. Okay, here we are. We're ready to primer the tank, and now that the tank is ready to be sprayed, everything's clean. All the fillers are nice and smooth. Shouldn't have any mistakes or anything like that. I'm super excited, trying to get this done before the sun goes down. I at least just want to get my primer coat. Once I get the primer coat, it should look really good, I'm hoping. Got the self-etching primer, by the way. I've used it on my wheels for the 240. Works really good, especially when you got things sanded down. Well, day 2, back out here, taped up some stripes that I plan on doing. I think they look pretty good, pretty well taped, so I'm pretty excited for them. Let's get this white coat on and see how it looks. Here's the first 2 coats of the white paint. Looking pretty good so far. You want to park it up here so it's not in the dirt? That's better. The gang's all here. Well, the white coat's all dry. Took the tape off. Got the nice stripe going. The stripe's about to be red, so we're about to see a color change here in a minute. But so far, I'm digging it.
They have like snakes on the tread.
That looks pretty good now, man.
I know. I'm trying to go for a streetier build. I gotta repaint. I gotta repaint this again and build these things.
Let me know, because I will help you with this.
Yeah, if you can tell me.
I will help you with this.
So stuff like that.
It's nice. I like your. I think the most. I like the most.
I like these rims right here.
Yeah.
It's like thick mag wheels. I know.
I like that brush steel look too.
Yeah.
When I had the tank like all brushed on the brush steel.
Yeah. I need a.
So what are you doing, Chris?
Hey, Ben.
I am
Stuff like gas station music. Yeah.
wiring my new fender eliminator. Didn't come with any brackets, so
Makeshifting. How the red stripe came out. I'll have to peel it off. Ready? Yes. That is super satisfying to watch. Woo-wee. Good. So this is what everything looks like, all hooked up and all done. Not bad. I think it looks really good. I'm really excited for it. Definitely changes the whole look of the bike. I'm gonna spray paint a few other pieces white, just to kind of help accent the tank, so the bike looks more balanced all the way through. But I think it looks very good. I still got to put the like the automotive clear coat that protects from gasoline. I still got to put that on there. So I guess for now, you know, just got to be very careful when I pour gas that I don't get it on my paint. A little dirty, I guess, already. I did take it on a ride before I shot the rest of this, but not bad. I don't think it looks bad at all. All right, guys. Once again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Like the video if you liked it, I guess. just help your boy out. Help my channel grow. Thanks everyone. Thanks for watching.